Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set up this app. It is known as Sox IP Tunnel. So this app is already on Google Play Store, so you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach here, you search for Sox IP Tunnel. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. So when you search, you will run on this app. You take note of this app name. This one, Sox IP Tunnel. This one which supports UDP, SSH and WS. So you install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So you open it to set it up, and when you reach in the app home screen, you tap on this gear icon. So this app has a lot of connection methods. When you tap on this gear or the setting icon, you can see that the app has a lot of connection methods. For today, I will show you the UDP request with inbuilt servers. So you'll be able to set up this app with its own inbuilt servers, the free servers within the app. So you tap on server list right here, and you give this app some seconds for it to load the servers. So you can browse along the servers from any of your desired location, for example USA and other locations, as you can see. So the other thing you must take note of is the time left for the server to expire. For example, this server is left with 3 hours and this one 5 hours. So if you browse below, you can see that this one has 15 hours left. So we shall pick this one, and to pick it, you tap on it and then you follow the prompts to get this server. So after that you can see that it will say that server added. So after you completing that task, and you must customize some settings after picking a server. So no need to create a server. This app already, it adds inbuilt servers. So you tap on configure UDP request. When you tap on configure UDP request, you must set up either so you tap right here, and from here you can either pick custom or free server. So for today's guide, we are using the free server. So you pick free server, and from here you need to enter a starting port as 1, and the end port should be 65535. As you can see, it's already provided right here. It is 65535. Then the sender counter, it should be 1. Then the receiver counter should be 255. And down here you can see at what time will the chosen server expire. So you must come back and pick a new server after the expiry date of the chosen server. And after that, you click on save to save your settings, just like that. Then you go back on the home screen, and after you setting up the app like that, you are ready to establish a secure and a fast connection using Sox IP Tunnel. So lastly, you are required to initiate a suitable connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, you can see that the app is now connected. And that's how we set up Sox IP Tunnel with UDP request servers, with inbuilt UDP request servers, to get a super fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet again.